In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enforce two-step verification in Google Workspace. This extra layer of security helps protect your business by requiring users to verify their identity in 2 steps, thereby safeguarding your data from unauthorized access. Let's dive in and go through the process together. First, head to Google Workspace by opening up your web browser and typing in the URL. Once you've arrived at the main page of Google Workspace, look for the admin console icon. This is your gateway to managing all the administrative aspects of your Google Workspace account. Click on the admin console to proceed. You'll need to log in using your business email. Ensure you enter the correct credentials, which include your email and password. Once you've done that, click Next or Sign In to move forward. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself within the admin console environment. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot the Google Apps menu. This menu is your quick access portal to all the various Google apps available within your workspace. Click on it, and from the drop down select the admin icon. This click lands you into the core admin settings where all significant configurations are made. Our next focus is navigating to the security section. From the main admin panel, find the security option. It's where you'll make changes related to user authentication and access control. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the admin console. This will come in handy for future modifications. Once you're inside the security section, the next step is to look for the authentication settings. Click on Authentication to reveal a sub-menu specifically dedicated to ways users can log in and verify identity within your organization. Among the options you'll see, two-step verification might catch your eye prominently. Click on this option because it's the core of what we're setting up today. Two-step verification is instrumental in confirming users' identities by sending a verification code to their registered device following a password attempt. Here you'll see an option to turn on this feature. Go ahead and enable the two-step verification by toggling it on. When you do this, the system applies this security measure across all the user accounts within your workspace. Finally, don't forget to save these changes. At the bottom or top of the page, depending on your interface layout, locate the Save button. Clicking this ensures that all the changes you've made regarding two-step verification are applied and enforced throughout your organization. And that's it! You have successfully enforced two-step verification in Google Workspace. This essential security feature is now up and running, providing an additional barrier against unauthorized access. Be sure to inform your team about this adjustment so they can set up their devices for two-step verification. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.